Hi there, my name is Dr. Shauna Pandya, and I am the Chief Medical Advisor at Astreas, a US based company specializing in food systems innovation and nutrition technologies for high performing individuals from astronauts to athletes. Today, we're so excited to present our concept for a novel space food technology called a circulation heater for enveloped food. We came up with the idea after talking to experts across human spaceflight, from astronauts to food scientists at NASA, commercial US spaceflight providers, and international space agencies, including Japan and France. All agree that space food systems could be done a little bit better, especially when it comes to overcoming issues like menu fatigue, food texture in flight, and being able to cook and customize food in spaceflight. Our team has a variety of expertise across space food systems, fluid thermodynamics, and human spaceflight. Sous-vide cooking essentially places food, seasonings, and sauces you want to cook in an enveloped bag that is vacuum sealed and then immersed in a hot water bath and cooked. Chef is designed to work in low gravity environments, from microgravity to Moon and Mars gravity. We've already made progress on this concept, winning phase 1 of the 2021 NASA Deep Space Food Challenge, and now we are so excited to go from TRL 2 to TRL 6. We will know that chef successfully works when we are able to heat food pouches in 65 degrees in a reduced gravity environment without water leakage. Let's do it!